I believe one of the reasons why the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has such a big battery and such good battery life simply is the target market, meaning it is aimed at a different demographic than the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Having the capabilities of importing and using GPX files means that the Pro has to last longer, as it will most likely be in sort of a standalone mode when using it on trails or for hiking. Samsung also features this on their website as the premium version of all Galaxy Watches. This of course begs the question, what is happening with the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro? Let me put it this way, there is no reason for Samsung not to come out with a Galaxy Watch 6 Pro. However, hang on, a lot of people do wonder, will the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro be an upgrade, or will it have better sensors than the Galaxy Watch 6 or even the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? The short answer is probably not. Samsung is working on a micro LED technology for the Galaxy Watch 7, but looking at the release date for the 6 Pro, this will most likely not be implemented in time. Here's what I need you to do. Please let me know in the comments below, are you in the market for the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro? And if yes, what is your use case? And while you're here, why not like this video? And if you're new, why not subscribe if you enjoy my content? Thank you so much. A lot of people are trying to compare or try to decide between the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and the 5 Pro, or even consider waiting for the 6 Pro, which in a way makes sense. You have to see this in a different light. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is the answer to many of you guys, the loyal customer base that simply loves the physical rotating bezel. Samsung listened and brought it back. If Samsung would have released the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro and the Galaxy Watch 6 at the same time, most likely it would have cannibalized their sales. After all, it is a corporation that needs to make profit in order to satisfy their shareholders. What we know is that Samsung typically holds 2 Unpacked events each year. You probably know the saying, history repeats itself. So expect the Galaxy Watch 6 Pro to come out at the next Unpacked event, which will be happening in February next year. And Samsung has done this before. As for the specs, don't expect a massive upgrade. Most likely it will be an iteration of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I sincerely hope I earned your subscription today. Let me know your thoughts below. Thank you for watching. Peace out.